Want to quickly generate a shareable Telegram TME link for your profile, channel, or group? You're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create a Telegram link that you can share anywhere, making it easier for others to connect with you or even join your community. Let's get straight into it. Let's start with your personal profile. First things first, you need a public username. This is the key that unlocks your very own TME link. If you already have one, you're ahead of the game. But if not, don't worry, setting it up is easy. Go ahead and open your Telegram app whether you're on mobile or desktop. The steps are pretty much the same. Head into Settings where you'll see your profile details. Tap your profile picture or your name. That's your gateway to the editing options. Here's an important step. Look for the username field. If it's blank, you'll need to create a unique username that hasn't been claimed by someone else. You can use your real name, nickname, or something catchy, say. Just make sure it identifies you and is easy to remember. Why does this matter? Well, your username not only helps people find you, but it also creates your public Telegram link. Think of it like a personalized web address. As soon as you set your username, Telegram will display your public link right below it. It'll look something like TME John Doe. That link is golden. You can long press it, copy it to your clipboard, and share it anywhere on your website, on social media, or even in a text message. If you're worried about privacy, rest assured, only your username is public, not your phone number or full name. Now let's talk about sharing links for groups or channels, which is a little different. If you want a clean TME link, the group or channel must be public. Private groups use longer invite links and you can't customize the format. So to set your group or channel public, open it in Telegram and tap the name at the very top. This will take you to the info page where you can see all the settings. Find and tap the edit icon. It usually looks like a pencil. Head into group type or channel type depending on what you're working with. Select public and choose a unique username such as @myawesomechannel. This makes your community discoverable to anyone, plus you instantly get a link like TME My Awesome Channel. Just copy it the same way you did for your profile and share it with your audience. Let's clarify TME link formats for a moment. If it's your personal profile, the link is t.me/your username. For a public channel or group, it's the same format, just swap in the channel or group username. For bots, it'll look like t.me/bot username. There's even a way to send direct messages using someone's phone number. t.me/plus phone number. But keep in mind this only works if the user's privacy settings allow it, otherwise you'll hit a wall. So whether you want people to find your profile, join your group, or interact with your bot, having the right TME link totally streamlines the experience. It's a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in how accessible you are on Telegram. Take a few minutes to set your username, double-check your channel settings, and start sharing that link with confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Got any questions about Telegram links or want more tips? Drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.